Hello everybody, thanks for watching the Craftsman Cave. We're going to do a video review of a brand new Craftsman product that I just saw in Lowe's today. And that is the 20 volt V20 5-gallon wet dry vac, tool only. So it has a locking hose, it has a rear blower port, 1 1/4 diameter hose, 5 foot long, 3 extension wands, floor cleaner, and then another broad cleaner, and a crevice tool. Comes with the filter bag and the filter, and stainless steel drum, motor head. Here's some of the other features right here on the back. Specs: tank capacity 5 gallons, runs on the 20 volt max battery, has 40 inches of water lift, 45 CFM, and I mentioned that 5 foot hose. It weighs nearly 10 pounds. So that's the box. That's not what you want to see though. You all want to see the vacuum. So here's the vacuum here. Look at that beautiful stainless steel tank. There's your motor head, and I have a wand in my hand. The top handle folds down, makes it nice and compact. I of course have the 9 amp hour battery attached at the moment. I believe that anytime you're using a vacuum, a high draw tool like this, you want to have a pretty powerful battery. So there is that. Yes. So it has onboard storage at each of the 4 wheelbases. This is kind of how I have it set up right now. I don't have a lot to clean up to demonstrate. I have some mud, dried up mud right here. And then of course over here I have some stuff in my car too that will vacuum up and see how well this thing does. So I'm going to hook up my regular, sorry about this, trying to get this all sorted out here. Okay. All right. And we're going to fire up this bad boy. Look at that. That's pretty good stuff. Clean up my mat like a charm here. Good stuff. So let me shut this down. Okay. Wow, getting in there. The rock is pretty jammed in there. I don't know if that's going to come out of there. Okay. And then switch back to the crevice tool here. Let's get some of this mud off the ground. Oh yeah, look at that. Here, watch this. That's good stuff. Okay. So the verdict is in. This vacuum sucks. But in a good way. So definitely a nice compliment to your 20 volt tool collection. Thanks for watching the Craftsman Cave.